Okay, a jet can travel 3,880 miles going with the wind, but only travels 2,120 miles going against that same wind for the same amount of time. If the wind speed is 220 miles per hour, then what is the jet speed with no wind? So let's go with the wind and against the wind. So with the wind, the speed of, let's let r be the speed of the jet with no wind. Well then, the wind speed is 220 miles an hour, so when we're going with the wind, the speed of the jet will be the speed without wind plus the speed of the wind. That's the rate times the time. They don't say anything about the time, but it goes a distance of 3,880. Against the wind, we're finding the wind is going against us now, so we subtract it times the same amount of time, and it only goes 2,120 miles. So in this situation, it makes sense to divide the left sides of the equation to the right, because if the lefts are equal to the rights, the quotient of the lefts must equal the quotient of the rights. So we can form a proportion this way. And one of the reasons for doing that is that the t cancels out, which we didn't want, we don't know, and we don't care about. We just want r. So that's a start. And we can cancel a couple of zeros here on the right side, and let's see, 388 divided by 2. We can divide by 4. 388 divided by 4 is 97, and 212 divided by 4 is 53. So that side reduces to that, and we have r plus 220 divided by r minus 220 equals 97 over 53. So now we can cross multiply. Upon cross multiplying, we have r plus 220 times 53 is equal to r minus 220 times 97. And if we distribute, we have 53r plus 220 times 53 is 11,660. And on the other side, we have 97r minus 220 times 97, which is 21,340. So now we want to get all the r's on the same side of the equal sign here. So let's take away 53 r's from both sides. At the same time, that brings all the r's to the right side, so we want to move the constant terms to the other side. And the result of all this, let me go over to the top where there's more room now. Okay, so we have 11,660 plus 21,340. That adds up to 33,000. So on the left side we have 33,000. And on the right side, we've got 97 r's. Take away 53 r's, which is 44 r's. Finally, to solve for r, the speed of the jet without the wind, just divide both sides by 44. So 33,000 divided by 44 is 750. And that's miles per hour. That's the speed of the jet if there's no wind. 750 miles per hour.